ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ನಾನು ನಿಶಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್, ನನ್ನ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮರೆಯದೆ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೋರ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ತರೋಣ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಲವರ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಶಾಪರ್ದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ತುಂಬ ವೈರಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಡೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಇವಾಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಕುರ್ತೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಗೌನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಓನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಅವರದ್ದು ಶಾಪ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ, ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರೋರಿಗೆ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಐಟಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೋತ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೈಜು, ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೈಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲಾಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಬುಕ್ ಸಹ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ಈ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ನೋಡಿ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಈ ಶಾಪ್ ಬರೋದು ಅಟ್ ಕಗ್ದಸ್ಪುರ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟು ವೈಟ್ ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೈಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶಾಪ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಾನಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಥರ ಅಜ್ರಕಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಡಿಗೋ ಕಲರ್ಸ್, ಇಕ್ಕತ್, ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಟನಲ್ಲಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಇವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಚಾನಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಜಯ ಅಂತ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಲೋಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋರು ನಾವು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅಂಡ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಈ ಶಾಪ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹಳೇದೇನೆ, ಹೊಸ ಅಂತ ಏನಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ್ಲಿಂದಲೂ ಇವ್ರು ಒಂದೇನಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಟನ್ ನೇನೆ, ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿ ಕಾಟನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಈಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಪ್ರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನೋಡೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ವಿ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಲಕ್ಲಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಸೈಜ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೀವ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ 3/4 ಸ್ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕೋರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ರೇಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರೇಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಏನಂತ ಆಫರ್ಡಬಲ್ ರೇಟ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಲವು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ರೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಕೆಲವು ಬಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಜ್ರಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಅಜ್ರಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ವಿತಿನ್ 600-500 ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗುಡ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ, ವಾಕ್ಗೆ, ಟೂರ್ಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ರೈವಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಸೂಪರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಖಂಡಿತ. ಕಾಟನ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋ ಖಂಡಿತ ಬಂದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಾರ್ಕಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ,
ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ನೆಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಳಬ್ರು.
ಓಕೆ,
10 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ನಾನು 6-7 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನೈಸ್,
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಬೆಡ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೊದಲು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ,
ಕಾಟನ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪಿಲ್ಲೋ ಕವರ್ಸ್, ಟೇಬಲ್ ರನ್ನರ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ರನ್ನರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಬಲ್ ರನ್ನರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸೂಪರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
This is Bani Export. This is in CV Ramanagar, Kagdaspura. The nearest metro station that you can take is Baipanhalli metro station. From there it is just 10 minutes distance. You can take a auto or you can take a Uber and Ola and reach us.
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವೆರೈಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ?
Ma'am, we are into complete manufacturing of hand printed items. When we say hand printed item, we deal in exclusively all hand blocks, which is Sanganeri prints we deal in. We deal in Katha prints. We deal in Ajraks. We deal in Kalamkaris. We deal in
Ikkat varieties.
We deal in pure cotton.
Cotton.
So when we are saying these cotton, these are not the normal cotton. These are completely hand block cotton. We zero down our fabrics, which means there won't be any kind of shrinking, fading on any of the fabrics.
Beautiful.
So this is completely in-house manufacturing. Our manufacturing unit is in Laksandra, which is near MG Road. And this is a factory outlet from where we sell in retail as well as wholesale. So there are 2 shops. One is here, which where we are shooting, and there's one more store which is upstairs. So fabrics is also completely procured by ourselves, and stitching is also done completely by our in-house tailors only.
So own manufacturing ಇದೆ, complete cotton rate ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
So the rates that we will be giving, last time when we shooted the video, we got massive response both
Yes.
from wholesale as well as retail. So now we have launched many more varieties in this. So this is something which is trending throughout the year.
Yes.
You don't have to wait for the season.
Correct.
So for office use, for casual use, for college use, for everything you can use them. And most of these you will be getting at completely manufacturing rates. It's is like
On factory
open
rates ಕೊಡ್ತಾ
challenge.
ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes,
Yes.
completely factory rates.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಶಾಪ್ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಇದು
Ma'am, we will be starting with the basic varieties, which is short tops. So this
Okay.
is a spaghetti pattern short tops that we make. We make it from the size 36 to 42, which is
Okay.
from small to XL sizes, and all in completely hand printed items.
ಏನ್ ರೇಂಜ್
Three
ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
pieces you are getting just for 900 rupees.
ಓಕೆ,
So this is a combo offer. This is like a short kind of pattern. This is also available in different sizes.
ಏನ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇದು?
This is 3 pieces 900
Oh,
rupees. Short
okay.
tops are all 3 pieces just for
ಪಿಕ್ ಎನಿ
900 rupees.
3 ಪೀಸ್ 900 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಕ್ಕತ್
Ikat
ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್
we
ಇದೆ.
have.
ಎಸ್,
Patola we have.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್.
Sanganeri prints we have.
ಓಕೆ,
This is again block print.
Pure
Length of
cotton
each one
ನೋಡಿ.
of this is 26 to 27. This is Katha stitch. You can
ಕಾಂತ
see.
ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್,
This is beautiful Sanganeri prints. This is again Sanganeri prints. So
Beautiful.
all these short tops, different varieties. We have more than 50-60 colors in each size. So you will be getting all these only 3 pieces for.
ಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Sizes are available, ma'am, from S to 46 sizes.
ಓಕೆ,
So from small to 3XL, we have different sizes, different colors.
ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು, ತುಂಬಾ ವೆರೈಟಿ. ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್.
Beautiful collection of kurtis.
Okay.
The length of these kurti is around 42, which is 2 inches below knee length. This is a Katha stitch. Most of it we are making in V-necks now because V-neck is very trendy. And these
beautiful.
pieces you
Chanaಗಿದೆ.
are getting just 3 pieces for 1,200.
3 pieಸಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 1200.
Which is not even the fabric cost.
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್ 400 ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಮೀಟರ್.
See, this is indigo.
ಹ್ಮ್,
This is beautiful cottons, all thick cottons, premium cottons, and again I'm repeating in this video, we have zero down the fabrics, which
Yes.
means we have made sure in our manufacturing that shrinking will not happen on
Oh.
any of this.
ಓಕೆ.
So
ಶ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನು?
yes, shrinking will not happen. So this is
ವಾವ್,
another one. See,
ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೆಕ್,
beautiful.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನೆಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
See, this is purple color.
ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
Purple
ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್
color.
ಕಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ನೆಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
All bright colors we have made.
ಹ್ಮ್,
Green color.
ಸೈಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Sizes, ma'am, we have from small size, which is 38 size we start from, and we go up to 48 size. Sometimes we do make 50 sizes also, but every time till 48 we have.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
enough stocks.
ಕಲರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ,
Yes.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
Courier is available across India. International shipping is also available. And for wholesale customers, this is the manufacturing rates. You can pick up from us by just taking 30 pieces.
30 piece
across
ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ?
India.
Okay.
We already supplying to Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra. We have loads of wholesale customers
Okay.
taking from us.
Beautiful.
So in case it's like a shop you have and you wanted to look for something which is
ಕಾಂತ
very
ವರ್ಕ್.
comfortable,
ಎಸ್,
hand printed, exclusive items you can pick up from our
Yes.
manufacturing unit by just taking 30 pieces in your preferred
ನೀವು
sizes.
30 ಪೀಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೆಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ತಗೊಬೇಕಾ?
No, ma'am, there is no set wise collection because the lump that we get to make these kurtas is only 10 meters.
Okay,
so
okay.
at the max we can make 3 to 4 kurtas in that.
ಓಕೆ,
This is next our Ajrak collection. Ajrak also we have made in completely V-necks.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್.
Beautiful
Yes.
V-necks we have made.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಕಾಂಬೋ ಆಫರಾ?
Yes, everything, all the kurtis of this length is on the same combo offers. Different prints are available in different sizes, so you can contact us. We have a ready catalog every day we make, which we can send it to you, and you
Yes.
can choose from the existing pattern.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್?
Yes, online shopping is available across India. We're already doing international shipping for
Oh.
many of our customers.
Okay, wow.
So
Look at
across
this.
India, any small town, big town, anywhere you're staying, any smallest to the smallest town also. Kerala, we are supplying on massive this thing. So there are also small cities, small towns also. We do supply. And in case you are looking for
ಸೊ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
yes, worldwide shipping.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಲರು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಆಫರ್. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ.
Yes, anytime 400 500 pieces we can make on your order also.
ಓಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ.
Yeah, but the number of quantity would be high.
ಓಕೆ
Like you have to make 400-500 pieces.
ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಟ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸು ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಲ್ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ನೈಸ್.
Khadi, this one. Like these many,
There's a lot, ilva?
60-70 colors we have in each design.
ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ. or online contact ಮಾಡಿ for more
In case
collections.
you are not able to come to the store because of any reasons, we are already supplying across India, so you can contact us. Our staff will assist you. In case you are a wholesaler, then we will do a video call and get the selection done for you.
Variety?
Next pattern that we have is this beautiful halter neck dresses. Sleeves are there inside. These are A-line dresses, and you will have side pockets also available. So you can wear it like a dress, or you can wear it like a kurta. The length of this will be 45. Again, these are completely available in different kind of hand printed fabric. This is Sanyaneri. This is a beautiful ajrak.
Very nice.
Very
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
So
Alter neck ಇದು.
this is
Yes,
alternate.
stylish ಇದೆ
This
ನೋಡಿ
is
ಇದು.
how it will come.
Yes, beautiful.
Sleeves will be like this, and you will have a provision to stitch the sleeves. So
Yes.
sleeves are attached. This is in pure ikat. And when I say ikat, we don't deal in ikat prints. We deal in ikat fabric. So this is completely handloom ikat fabric.
ಓಕೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲೂಮ್ ಇದು.
This is
ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ ಏನ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ?
These are available just for 650 rupees.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 650 ನಾ?
Yes,
ವಾವ್,
just for 650.
Amazing.
Beautiful items.
ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಲೆವೆಲ್
when
ಇದೆ.
we supply to wholesale customers from retail stores, people are selling with their tags for almost 1500 rupees per piece.
Yes.
Because this
Yes,
indigo
not less than
fabric-
that.
Nothing less than that. Because indigo fabric itself is around 250-300 rupees meter. So you can just calculate yourself and
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮನಿ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಆಫರ್. ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಪಿಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಚೆ ಒಂದ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೀವು 2-3 ತಗೊಬಹುದು ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗೆ.
yes, you
ಸೂಪರ್, ಬೇರೆ
this
ಲೆವೆಲ್.
is kashish fabric. This is completely hand printed fabric. You can see from inside. When you smell, you will find the smell of the natural dyeing also.
ಹೌದು.
This is next one. So this is again the halter neck patterns. We have few more colors. This is khadi. This is beautiful patola. Indigo we make many because indigo is
Demand alide. Yes.
This is completely ajrak concepts that we are having. This is again
Ikat.
patola concepts, and this is patola with completely bandhani print.
ರೇಂಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಸೇಮ್?
Everything is same. You can pick up any of
Anything?
these beautiful pieces just by paying 650 rupees. Courier is available across India. I'm again repeating. We
Across
have
world.
international shipping also available.
ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ದಿಲ್ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಸೂಪರ್. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್.
So the next one that we have made is now in complete ajrak concept. Beautiful ajraks we have made in this one, and this is a A-line pattern, the most trendiest pattern and most demanded pattern. This will also have a front open, so somebody who is looking for a feeding kurta in pure cotton can also buy this. And we have side pockets available in this. The length of this one is 45 to 46, which is like 4 inches below your knee length, so pretty long ones these are. And these are also available with 3/4 sleeves. Sleeves will also have this kind of detailing work we have given on the sleeves. So it's a button down pattern, very trending pattern, looks really pretty after wearing. And available sizes are 36 to 46, so people who are little on a heavier side really look nice in these patterns. And all these are available again with just 650 rupees.
Super.
So we are covering, this is ajrak. This is another piece in ajrak that we have beautiful blue color concept in ajrak. Next we have is this patola fabric. So I'm just showing you a couple of sample, guys.
Sample
but we will be
yes.
having loads and loads of designs and varieties in each of these. Our designs
ತುಂಬಾನೇ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ.
Yes, it's just reference just to show that what all patterns we are making. But once you contact us, we will be sending you
Catalog ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
complete catalog.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು.
Yes, but prints will change on the daily basis. So same prints you might not get.
ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ
Same fabrics
Wow,
you will get
look at
because
this.
we deal only in these kind
Beautiful.
of pure handloom fabrics.
Yes.
So this is a pure indigo. You can wear it like a dress. You can wear it like a kurta also. So these
2-in-1 ತರ.
patterns are available for 650.
ನೈಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು
Next is the khadi variety. We are making in pure khadi with prints we have picked up.
Okay.
In this we are making this very pretty spaghetti dresses. Sleeves are not part of this. This can be worn like a summer dress, or even if you are going out somewhere, you can wear these beautiful.
Travel
spaghetti.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes. And pockets are also available. Pattern is again A-line with spaghetti V-neck, and this
Okay.
is also available just for 650 rupees.
Just for
Sizes
650.
available are from 36 to 44, which is from small to 44 sizes. We have completely handloom fabrics. Guys, again and again we are repeating in the video that these are not printed items.
Yes, this is all a
These are
handloom.
handloom items, thick variety it is. And this, the color fadage will not happen, shrinking will not happen, and you will not get
Quality
this kind
fabrics.
Yes, you will not get these kind of stuff in market normally. And
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೇನು ಈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? even if they find it.
yes, even if they are finding it, these
Not
are
for this
factory
price.
rates because lot of people inside
Yes.
Bangalore, outside Bangalore are
Howದು.
already taking from us in wholesale to sell from their stores. So you can directly contact us to get the factory rates for
Yes.
yourself or for your store.
Beautiful.
Next
Dida?
we have is this anarkali patterns. These are 45 length long dresses which you can just wear like a single piece or like anarkali kurta.
Yes.
Front open is there. There are no pockets to it, and but this is completely front open.
Oh,
so this
okay.
is very good in case you're looking out for a feeding kurta.
Feeding
A lot of people
kurta.
ask for feeding kurta. This is a very good item for that.
Yes.
And the pricing of this is again only 650.
Just for
rupees.
650 only.
Flare of
Beautiful.
this is almost 3.5 meters.
Yes.
So any costing you do, it will not fall in this costing. So this is completely factory rate we are giving on this. Beautiful patolas we have covered in this. This is a katha stitch. You can see this is completely katha fabric. This is not printed item. I will show you from opposite side also. This is completely katha stitch
Yes, this
items.
is all a kanta work ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
These are
Yes.
completely handwork items, and these concepts we are giving at our outlet just for 650 rupees. This different color options are available and sizes are available from 36 to 46.
Amazing. ಇದು
Okay, now this is a beautiful cord set. This is a newly launched design, our own manufacturing and our own designing. One of it I am already wearing.
Yes.
You can see a beautiful one with 3/4 sleeves and a coordinated
Comfortable bottom.
pant with this. Pants are superbly comfortable. You can see a lot of people are very skeptical when it comes to pant ki pant
Bottom.
aayega ya nahi
Howdu.
aayega. But this pants will come definitely because we have given enough margins
Okay.
in terms of the elastic. The seam length of the pant, which is this portion, which is generally a complaint of the customer, is also around 15-16 we have given. It comes with a belt in the front, a nada, and this one. And these concepts are available with us in A-line pattern, which is a beautiful A-line pattern. Length of it will be 45. Coordinated sets these are.
ವಾವ್,
This is
look at
in
this.
Ajrak.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
See, completely
Beautiful.
beautiful collection. This is very comfortable and unique, and I have seen it on big websites for being sold for almost 3,000 rupees.
3000.
also.
ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು?
This you are getting at our manufacturing rate just for 1,200 rupees.
Just for 1200.
1,200
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
rupees.
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವರ್ತ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ಸ್ಟೈಲಿಶ್, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes.
ವಾವ್.
Fabric consumption is this is almost 6 meters.
6 meters, yes.
6 meters fabric consumption we are giving you in pure handloom just for 1,200 rupees. And
ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ನೀವು. ಸೈಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
sizes are available in different prints. We have
Super.
different sizes, and sizes what we are making right now is from 36 to 46. This is the first lot that we have received. So
Just
limited-
launch ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, just
Okay.
launched yesterday. So this is a limited collection we have right now. So you can contact us quickly as soon as you see the video before
Yes.
we finish out
Yes.
on this stock.
Beautiful.
So this one is there. This is pure Sanganeri again with a pant concept. Everything will have pant inside, and these are cord sets. See here,
ವಿತ್ ಬಾಟಮ್.
this bottom. Yes.
ಓಕೆ.
Beautiful bottom, and these are
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
not the normal cotton kurta set that you are getting in market. One more thing I would like to emphasize is this one. This we have given a princess cut. This is completely princess cut we have given so that the
Nice.
fitting of
Fitting
it comes
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
like really nice for you. And full button down it is.
ಓಕೆ. Alma beautiful print.
color options we have given, and the next cord set that we will be showing. Okay, next in the cord set we have made a very different variety. This you will find on Insta and all big models are wearing this pattern.
Trending
this,
pattern.
Yeah, very trending pattern. This is a halter neck pattern.
Yes.
Backside button is there. Sleeves are there inside. There's a big question. The customer has sleeves there. Yes, sleeves are there inside. Short sleeves we have given for this pattern. With sleeves, without sleeves, it looks really elegant. A-line pattern. Side pockets are available. And again, we have made them on Ajrak concepts.
Okay.
This is a beautiful concept. If you want, we can also share with you different websites on which you are getting it for 2,500 to around 3,000 people are taking in selling.
Nimmali en range?
Here you are getting just for 1,200.
Just for 1,200.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes,
Bottom torsi?
1,200 rupees. And the bottoms that we have made in them is the USP of this. These are superbly comfortable bottoms.
Chennagide.
Normally in ready-mades you will not get these kind of bottoms.
Yes.
Full elasticated. Seam length is 17 in big sizes. Length of the bottom is almost 39 to 40 inches, and this is like this beautiful pattern, top and
Chennagide.
bottom patterns. We have
Idರಲ್ಲಿ
made
ತುಂಬಾನೇ
around
print
6
ಇದೆ.
to 7 colors in this.
Colors, designs. Look at this.
Completely
Nice.
blue Ajrak with pant. Limited stock it is. This is a newly launched design, so we don't have too much stock in this. So this with this kind of pure
Bottoms.
Ajrak. This one.
ಏನ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ ಸೈಜಸ್?
Sizes are available, ma'am, from 36 sizes we have to 46 sizes we have launched this pattern. So in case you are a wholesale customer looking to buy something
Wow,
for
so
unique
beautiful.
for your handloom store, you can contact us. We will give you the wholesale rates. And for retail customer, we are giving absolutely factory rates, that is just 1,200 rupees for this beautiful halter neck cord sets.
Great. Right, ಇದು?
Okay, next we have made these beautiful palazzos which you can pair up with the short tops. This beautiful palazzo we have made from 36 to 46 length in completely different fabrics. This is kalamkari. We have it in indigo also. So these different palazzos and sizes available are from small to 3XL. Small to 3XL palazzos. Width is not too much width we have kept, because the trending width is almost 15-16 inches. So we have kept only that length. This you can combine with the kurtas and take, and you are getting these beautiful palazzos just for 450.
Amazing. Just for 450?
Yes, just for 450.
Okay.
Next we have is these beautiful khadi pants. This is a regularly manufactured and supplied items to many wholesale stores.
Okay.
So in this also the sizes available are from S to XXL.
Which is in trend now, ಈ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಖಾದಿ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್,
Khadi
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲೆಗಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಇವಾಗ. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಏನ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ?
This is also available just 3 pieces for 1,200.
Oh,
rupees.
okay,
1,200
combo.
rupees a combo offer. 3 pants, 3 kurtas. You can combine the way you want, and you can pick it up from us. Beautiful prints. We almost make around 11 to 12 different colors in khadi, and not only just the khadi. So
Super.
this is completely not the cotton that you're getting in
This is
Jaipur
khadi,
and all. This
yes.
is a khadi material. Would like to show you how it is. This is completely, you can feel the material.
Yes, feel different. It's not the regular one.
And
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Thickness ಇದೆ.
thickness is there, and comfort wise also the seam length again and again we repeat in the pants. This is the main portion of the pant, because if this is not comfortable,
ಹೌದು, ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್
it will
ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್.
stretch. It will tear off. So this we have given almost 15-16, and back side also pretty good
Stretchable ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
elastication we have given. Side pockets we have given.
ನೋಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್.
And this is a proper khadi, the authentic khadi color.
ಹೌದು.
You can see this is how the material is, pure cotton, and till 48 sizes, which will fit a 3XL size also. We make these pants, and these pants are again available 3 pieces for 1,200 rupees only at our factory rates.
ಸೂಪರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ.
This is the handloom skirts that we make. These are full length skirts with beautiful border we give, and different color options are available. I will quickly show the color options, and these are also available just for 650.
ಬೈ 650 ನಾ?
650 only. Beautiful. See, this is completely hand printed item on
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ
black
ನೋಡಿ.
color. Indigo we have. This is patola we have. This is ajrak that we have. This is again
ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
ajrak.
ಬೇರೆ
Beautiful
level
prints.
skirts.
We make almost 15 colors in each of these skirts.
ಪಿಕ್ಕಿನಿ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರೈಸು.
Yes, it's
ಕಲರ್
only
ಡಿಸೈನ್
650.
ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
For the upcoming festival season, this is very
ಹೌದು,
pretty.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
So you can,
ಪೇರ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ನೈಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
These beautiful collection of hand printed bags. We have almost 15 varieties in this. You can contact us for the varieties. The prices starts from around 150 for the upcoming season. As gifting items, you can give these beautiful purses, wallets, these kind of purses. Everything we have in hand printed items from the same fabrics we manufacture. From 150 to 450 you will going to get the entire variety.
ನೈಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕೋ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ.